In this video, I will show you exactly how to complete your initial Google Flow profile setup so you can start experimenting with this powerful creative tool right away. To begin this process, you need to navigate to the official Google Labs Flow Studio website. It is important to note that for the best experience and full compatibility, you should use a desktop computer running a Chromium-based browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Once you have reached the homepage, you will see a prominent button that says Create with Flow or simply Sign In. Click that button to move to the next stage. A prompt will appear asking you to choose an account. At this point, you should select the specific Google account or corporate workspace profile that you want to link to the platform. Keep in mind that depending on your organization settings, some workspace accounts might require administrator permission for access. After you click on your preferred account, the system will verify your credentials and establish your unique creator profile. This link ensures that all your projects and experiments are saved securely under your identity. Once the synchronization is finished, you will be redirected to the main dashboard where the interface unlocks and you are free to begin building. The entire process takes less than a minute, but it is the essential first step to mastering the environment and accessing the suite of tools Google Labs has designed for you. Now you are fully ready to explore everything Flow has to offer.